If today is your first time coming across my video, please subscribe. In today's video, I will teach you how you can make your own delicious meat pie at home. So delicious. All you need is your grounded meat, fry and seasoning for some minutes, and add your carrots. After adding your carrots, cover it for some minutes before adding your potato. Then now grab your flour, your nutmeg, and salt, your baking powder. I'm using 2 baking powder because I'm doing 2 kilos of flour. Then mix thoroughly. Add your 4 spoons of sugar. I'm using 2 kilos. Then mix. Now I'm adding my potato. Add a little bit of water and cover. Then I'll be using 1 kilo of butter for this recipe. Mix until you get the right mixture, until it look like this. Then here's your egg. I'm using 5 eggs. Mix until it look like this before adding your egg. Using condensed milk because this meat pie is so delicious. I'm using 500 grams of condensed milk. After mixing very well, put it in your nylon, cover it, allow it to rest up to 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Then divide your flour into 2. You have to get your meat and all you need for this, your plate to cut or whatever you want to use to cut it. And put it in your pan. The meat pie is ready. Use the egg to make it look shiny. Put it in your oven and allow it to bake for 15 minutes. Now our meat pie is ready. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.